In 1968, Johnny Cash stepped into Folsom Prison and turned a routine live album into a manifesto of defiant honesty. The performance stitched raw prison sound with cinematic storytelling, reshaping country and rock audiences' trust in live authenticity. Cash chose songs that reflected prison life and produced the project with Bob Johnston to capture danger, humor, and humanity. Contemporary critics initially doubted the theatrics, yet the album's urgency inspired countless artists to blend storytelling with grit. From prison dining rooms to global stages, Cash's fearless honesty redefined the grit and soul of American music.